Therefore, I'm justified legally, according to Illinois law, to use any kind of force, even that's going to cause death or personal injury on those trespassers. Anyone, anyone in Illinois. A person is justified in the use of force against another. Another. Who's another? It's open. Another. Who's that another? When and to the extent that he reasonably believes that I know, that such conduct of that another does not matter who's that another. Because if they are in the government, means they must be more knowledgeable of the law, or they must be knowledgeable of the law, not to commit trespass, not to commit crimes against me or any other citizen in the state of Illinois, at least according to this law. Necessary to prevent those judges and lawyers from entering these default null and void orders, taking my property, taking my children away from me. Such others trespass. That's their trespass against the law. You know, when the judge acts without jurisdiction, he's trespassing on the law. There are case laws. Okay? So they're trespassers, criminals, felons. The felon Allen and the felon Third District Appellate Court justices and the felons Illinois Supreme Court justices. They are felons. Those whom they voted not to take my case, not to give me take a look at my case and give me what I'm entitled under the law, me and my children. They are felons, trespassers of the law. So I could go and be Rambo and finish them according to this law. I want Fitzgerald, you are the top, right? In Illinois? Well, tell me that what I am saying is wrong. I want you to interpret this for the public. Explain to the public how they could go and terminate your life when you trespass on their property. Go teach them. Teach them. This is the law. I don't write the law, you know. Just like when I quote the Bible. I don't write the Bible. I'm not the legislature. This is your law. Which law? 720 ILCS 5/7-3. That's the law. That's a safety valve to stop you from committing crimes against the public. Yes, let me teach you the law, you criminals. Necessary to prevent or terminate. You know, before I terminate, now prevent. Now I want to terminate that, so I want to go to my property, to my house, okay, and I want to see Crystal police come and tell me get out. If I have the like Rambo, I will shoot each and every one of them according to this law. You know, according to this law, I could do that, but not me. Let somebody else do it. I have the choice, and I chose not to do it. And as long as I'm not in the USA, I'm not going to do it. Out of the USA. Everything has to do with the USA. I want it out of my life. What I want. My innocent, poor children, I want them out. That's what I want from the USA. That's for my immediate thing. My immediate wish now, present wish, to get my children out of that torture. Trespass or other tortures. My children are under torture. I'm under torture. Or a criminal interference with their lives. No education. No place to live. My children are sleeping on the carpet now as I'm speaking to you. They are sleeping on the carpet, on the floor. Why? It's crimes committed by the government of the United States against my children. See, I'm not talking about international policies and no, I'm talking here in the state of Illinois, by the government of Illinois and the government of the United States. That's what they're doing to my. That's the least. A child cannot go home. What happens to him? No school, nothing, no education. He will be target for criminals and all that. 152 crimes they commit against my children. criminal interference with either real property or personal property, my personal property. And if I could defend my personal property, why can't I defend my own children, their lives? Which one is more valuable? My tools, my cars, or my children's life? You see? Property. Lawful in his position. It's lawful my children in custody, in my possession. They took it from me illegally. Lawful in his position, or in the position of another who is a member of his immediate family or household, or of a person whose property he has a legal duty to protect. I have legal duty to protect my children. I'm legally justified to protect my own children. However, he is justified in the use of force. You know, force is open, limit. There's no limit. Force, which is intended or likely to cause death or great bodily harm only if he reasonably believes, I know, this is the law, I showed you the law, that such force is necessary. It's very necessary. See, without it, what did I do? What did I get? I got nothing in the law. I went in my jihad in the court, in the legal system. This is my jihad, writing papers, studying the law. This is jihad, right? No, I'm not allowed. No, I'm not allowed. Believes that such force is necessary to prevent the commission of a forcible felony. All these felonies, forcible felonies and offenses they committed against me and my family, I'm justified by law, according to this law, to use force to prevent it before it happened and to terminate it. Now, to terminate it, I'm justified. But I am saying I'm out. I don't want to deal with the system. I don't want to deal with the system. Because my name, when you go to Google and you put Saad Nawa, my name is better than gold. Defending and protecting the religion of my father Abraham. Defending and protecting the name of the Lord God, Allah, the creator of heavens and earth. Protecting the name of the Prophet Abraham, Prophet, his son, the Prophet Muhammad. Protecting that name. Anybody care about the name of Muhammad? Anybody care about the name of Islam? Anybody care about the name of Allah? This application for you. I need asylum from your country. This is open, not only for the Finnish government. This is open application. Any country is going to say, I give him asylum. Let him come over here. This is my name on the internet. Search it. On Google. On any search engine on the internet. Search my name even in YouTube. YouTube search. S-A-A-D, last name Noah, N-O-A-H. I'm asking for political asylum not only from the Finnish government. Anyone who gives me the asylum first, I will go. Any country will tell me, okay, we accept your asylum application. You are welcome. I will say to the Finnish government, thank you, Finnish government. Thank you very much for the welcome. Now I got a country who gave the decision before you did. So, thank you very much. I appreciate it. And I will do my best to pay you back for every penny you paid me. Okay? Like, you know, I write in the Pravda, in the forum, and somebody told me, why don't you seek political asylum in Muslim country? I said, what is your definition of Muslim country? This is an open application for the whole world. Who's going to give me asylum? Not only for the Finnish government. Finnish government is not the only country in the world that signed the United Nations Declaration on Human Rights, but they are one of them, and I'm under their jurisdiction, under their law, and they are following the due process in order to get what I'm entitled by law. So, but this is open for all the countries in the world, all of them, without exception. Israel is not a country. Iraq, no, because they are under the control of the USA. Any country that's under the control of the USA, no. Independent country that's independent in its domestic and international policy.